Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Hello, good morning students. This is Sunil Prajapati, your maths teacher. Students, we have already completed our first exercise, that is 6.1 in the previous lecture. Now, I am going to teach you the next exercise, which is exercise 6.2, and the first question in this exercise is find the square of the following numbers. Means we have given some numbers and we have to find the square of that number. How will we find? It's very easy. We have to follow a formula which is a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Means आपको क्या करना है, इस फॉर्मूला का यूज करना है एंड 32 या जो भी नंबर आपको दिया होगा उसका क्या करोगे आप, स्क्वायर फाइंड करेंगे आप. ठीक है, ये फॉर्मूला आपको अप्लाई करना होगा. बट कैसे? लेट्स सी. 32 जो है, 32 मीन्स होता है 30 प्लस 2. लेट्स एज्यूम 30 as A and 2 as B. Okay, that means this is A and this is B, and now you have to apply this formula. Okay, in this formula we have given that A square that means 30 square. Okay, we are finding the square of 32 and 32 means होता है 30 plus 2. Okay, and 30 plus 2 में ये जो 30 है that is our A and जो 2 है that is B. Okay, now the formula is A square plus 2AB plus B square. Okay, and in this formula we assume that 30 as A and 2 as B, and now apply the formula. 30 square plus 2AB. 2AB. A is 30 and B is 2. A is 30 and B is 2, and B square. In the last we have given that B square, and B square means 2 square. Okay, because we have assumed that our A is 30 and B is 2, so we have to write 30 and 2 in place of A and B. Okay, now square the following numbers. 30 square, what is 30 square? 30 square means होता है 900. The square of 30 is 900. It's very simple. The square of 3 is 9. The square of 3 is 9, and when we do the square of any number and that number have 0 at unit place, 1 0 at unit place, then the answer have 2 zeros. That means अगर आप 20 का स्क्वायर करेंगे then 2 का स्क्वायर आपका होता है 4, and 0 1 टाइम दिया है, that means आपके आंसर में कितना टाइम होगा, 2 टाइम्स होगा. Suppose we are doing square of 30 and the square of 3 is 9 and we have given 1 0, then the answer have 2 zeros. Okay, in the same way 30 square is 900 and multiply these numbers, 2 multiply 30 multiply 2. Okay, and this will be 120. Then the square of 2 will be 4. Now add these three numbers and their answer will be 1024. Okay, with the help of this formula we can find the square of any number. Students, our next question is 35 square. Okay, 35 जो स्क्वायर आपको फाइंड करना है, इसमें भी आप क्या करेंगे, सेम मेथड सेम फॉर्मूला आप यूज करेंगे जो आपने लास्ट क्वेश्चन में किया था, एंड दैट फॉर्मूला वाज a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, and with the help of this formula we have to find the square of 35. 35 means 30 plus 5. Okay, now we will assume that our A is 30 and B is 5. A is 30 and B is 5. That means we have to write 30 in place of A and 5 in place of B. Okay, now apply this formula. In this formula we have given A square, that means 30 square, plus 2AB, that means 2. Our A is 30 and B is 5. Then B square, that means 5 square. Okay. Now the square of 30 will be 900, plus multiply these numbers. This will be 300. The square of 5 will be 25. Add these numbers. Okay. Now the addition of these numbers will be 1225. That means 1225. So our answer is 1225. That is the square of 35. Okay, students. Then our next question is find the square of 86. Means we have to find the square of 86. Okay. So we will apply the same formula, that is A plus B whole square is equals to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Okay. With the help of this formula you can find the square of any number. Okay. Now how will you solve it? So it is 86. That means 80 plus 6. And you have to find the square of 80 plus 6. Okay. So now by comparing with this formula we came to know that our A is 80 and B is 6. Okay. That means we have to write 80 in place of A and 6 in place of B. So write it, 80 square plus 2AB, that means 2. Our A is 80 and B is 6. Then 6 square. Okay. Now the square of 80 will be, square of 8 is 64, and there is 1 0 in this question, so our answer will have 2 zeros. Okay. Plus multiply these numbers. 960 and the square of 6 will be 36. Okay. Now add these numbers and the addition of these numbers will be 7396. 7396. This is the square of 86. Students, in this question we have given 6 questions. Okay, in the first question we have given 6 questions and I have solved 3 for you, and the next 3 will be your homework. Okay students, let's see the next question, that is question number 2, and in this question we have given that write a Pythagorean triplet whose one member is, means we have to write the Pythagorean triplet, and the first question that arises in our mind is, what is Pythagorean triplet? There was a mathematician whose name was Pythagoras, and he have given a theorem known as Pythagoras theorem, and that theorem was hypotenuse square is equals to height square plus base square. This theorem was only for right angle triangle. Okay, we will study this theorem in the next class, means in class 9. Okay, now came to our question. We have to find the Pythagorean triplet, and the general form of the Pythagorean triplet is 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. Means in Pythagorean triplet we will have only 3 terms, and the general form of that their terms were 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. ओके, मींस पाइथागोरन ट्रिपलेट जब भी आपको बोला जाएगा, ट्रिपलेट मींस होता है 3, ठीक है, मींस 3 का जो पेयर होगा दैट इज ट्रिपलेट। तो यहां पर आपको 3 नंबर्स फाइंड करने होंगे, जिसमें जनरल फॉर्म जो है नंबर्स का क्या होगा, फर्स्ट नंबर आपका होगा 2m, देन m square minus 1, then m square plus 1. Okay, so our first question is 6. That means 6 is the one member of this triplet. There are 3 terms and 6 is one term of that triplet. We have to find other 2. ओके, अदर 2 टर्म्स जो है हमको फाइंड करने हैं। कैसे फाइंड करेंगे कि ट्रिपलेट में 3 जो है आपको टर्म्स मिलेंगे, जिसमें फर्स्ट टर्म आपको दिया हुआ है 6, सॉरी फर्स्ट टर्म नहीं, वन मेंबर इज 6। ओके, अब ये फर्स्ट है, सेकंड है, थर्ड कोई भी हो सकता है, हमको क्लियरिफाई नहीं किया गया है। दे टोल्ड अस दैट वन मेंबर इज 6, वन मेंबर इज 6। अब ये 6 कौन सा नंबर है, फर्स्ट है, सेकंड है या थर्ड है, वो हमको क्लियर नहीं दिया है। दैट मीन्स हम क्या करेंगे, इसको सपोज करेंगे कि लेट 2m इज इक्वल टू 6, कि आप सपोज कर लीजिए कि जो 6 है वो फर्स्ट मेंबर है, ठीक है। अगर वो फर्स्ट मेंबर है दैट मीन्स वो इसके इक्वल होना चाहिए। ओके, देन 2m इज इक्वल टू 6, 2 को आप डिवाइड में ले जाएंगे, m is equal to 6 upon 2 and your answer will be 3. That means our m is 3. Okay, according to this. But what if we assume that m square minus 1 is equal to 6? That means हम जो है इस 6 को सेकंड मेंबर अगर एज्यूम कर लेते हैं तब क्या होगा, तब कैसे सॉल्यूशन होगा। अभी तो हमने फर्स्ट मेंबर एज्यूम किया था, तो हमारा m की जो वैल्यू है दैट वाज 3, एंड इफ वी एज्यूम इट सेकंड मेंबर देन द वैल्यू विल बी ओके, सो -1 जो है आप ट्रांसफर करेंगे उस साइड में तो हो जाएगा आपका +1 एंड दिस इज m square is equal to 7, that means m will be √7। m square 7 है तो उसका स्क्वायर रूट आप निकालेंगे तो m आपका क्या हो जाएगा, √7 हो जाएगा। एंड इन द थर्ड लेट m square plus 1 is equal to 6, मींस आपको करना क्या है कि सभी को इक्वल में रखना है, सभी के, फर्स्ट टर्म के भी, सेकंड टर्म के भी और थर्ड टर्म में भी। ओके, कि जो है अगर आपका जो m square plus 1 is equal to अगर 6 होता है तब क्या होगा, तो 1 आप उस साइड ले जाएंगे तो m square is equal to 6 minus 1 and this will be 5, m square is equal to 5, then your m will be √5. So we have 3 values of m. Now the problem is that these 2 values are not integers. ओके, मींस इनकी वैल्यू रूट में दी हुई है, दैट मींस ये इंटीजर आपका नहीं है, दैट मींस हमको n की वैल्यू क्या लेनी होगी, सिर्फ 3। ओके, सो द वैल्यू ऑफ m इज 3, दीज आर नॉट द वैल्यू ऑफ m। ओके, बिकॉज दे आर नॉट इंटीजर। तो हमको क्लियर तो दिया नहीं था कि जो है 6 कौन सा मेंबर है, तो हमको तीनों के इक्वल 3 जो आपको टर्म्स दिए हैं जनरल फॉर्म उनके इक्वल में आपको लेना होगा, सोल्व करना होगा, और आप देखेंगे कौन सा जो है इसमें इंटीजर आता है, और जो ये दोनों इंटीजर नहीं है दैट मींस ये दोनों कैंसिल हो गए, तो ये आपका होगा एक इंटीजर जो कि 3 है, तो m की वैल्यू आपकी क्या हो जाएगी, 3, पॉजिटिव इंटीजर होना चाहिए। ओके, अब आप क्या करेंगे, अब जो है आप बाकी के 2 टर्म्स देखो, 1 टर्म इज 6, ओके, बाकी जो 2 टर्म्स बच गए हैं वो आपको फाइंड करने होंगे। सो आवर सेकंड मेंबर विल बी m square minus 1, we have to put the value of m, that is 3. Okay, now put the value of m in place of m, there we will write 3 square minus 1, that means 9 minus 1, it will be 8. Okay, this is our second member, and now we have to find the third member, and our third member is m square plus 1, that means m के प्लेस पर आप क्या रखेंगे, यहाँ पर 3, square plus 1 means 9 plus 1 is equals to 10. So our triplet will be 6. What was the second member? Yes, 8. And the third member is 10. So this is our triplet 6, 8 and 10. When you have given any one member, then we can find the other two members with the help of this general form. Okay? Okay students, let's see the next question, that is 14. Okay? And we have to write the Pythagorean triplet whose one member is 14, and the general form of that triplet is 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. ओके, बट 14 जो है वो कौन सा मेंबर है, फर्स्ट है, सेकंड है या थर्ड है, वो आपको क्लियर नहीं दिया है. तो आप क्या करेंगे, सभी के इक्वल में आप जो है 14 रखेंगे. लेट 2m is equals to 14. Okay, then we will divide 14 by 2. So our answer will be 7. That means the value of m is 7. Okay. Then next, let m square minus 1 is equal to 14. Means let's assume that 14 is the second member. Then we will put m square minus 1 is equal to 14, and we have to take this one in the right side of equals. So m square is equal to 14 plus 1, and 14 plus 1 will be 15. Therefore m square is 15, and the value of m will be root 15. Okay, which is not an integer. That means the value of m cannot be root 15. Okay, let's m square plus 1 is equal to 14. That means let's assume 14 is a third member. Okay, and for that we have to write m square plus 1 is equal to 14, and take this one on that side. 14 minus 1 will be 13, and the value of m will be root 13, which is not possible because root 13 is not an integer. Okay, so as we can see that there are three values, m is equal to 7, m is equal to root 15, and m is equal to root 13. But we have to take m is equal to 7, as these numbers are not integers. Okay, so m की जो value है that is 7, and our one member is 14, and we have to find other two members. So find those members. Second member will be m square minus 1. Put the value of m, which is 7. So 7 square minus 1, and 7 square is 49 minus 1. It will be 48. Okay. Then the third member is m square plus 1. Put the value of m, which is 7 square plus 1, and the square of 7 is 49 plus 1. That means it will be 50. Okay, so we have three members of that triplet, Pythagorean triplet. Those members are 14, 48 and 50. 14, 48 and 50. So our triplet will be 14, 48 and 50. Okay. So let's see the next question, that is 16. Means one member of this triplet is 16, and we have to find other two members. Okay, कैसे फाइंड करेंगे आप? तो सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना होगा, इसको सपोज करना होगा कि ये क्या है, आपका फर्स्ट मेंबर है, बिकॉज हमको यहाँ पर कहीं भी क्लियरफाई नहीं किया है कि ये कौन सा मेंबर है, फर्स्ट, सेकंड या थर्ड. Okay, so we have to assume that 16 is the first member, that means we have to write 2m is equal to 16 and 2 will be here, m is equal to 16 upon 2 and the value of m will be 8. Okay, then suppose 16 is a second member, then we have to write m square minus 1 is equal to 16. Take this minus 1 there and this minus 1 will be plus 1 and it will be 17. And the square root of 17 is root 17, which is not an integer. Which is not an integer, that means the value of m could not be root 17. Okay. Now assume that 16 is the third member. Okay, and let m square plus 1 is equal to 16. Now m square is equal to 16 minus 1, it will be 15. And the square root of 15 will be root 15, which is not an integer. That means the value of m cannot be root 15. Okay, means we have three values, 8, root 17 and root 15, but these two values are not integer. That means the value of m will be 8. Okay. Now the first member is 16 of this triplet. The first member is 16. Then find the second member. Second member will be m square minus 1. Put the value of m, which is 8, and find the square of 8. That will be 64 and minus 1. So your answer will be 63. That means our second term or second member is 63. Then find the third member. And our third member will be m square plus 1. Put the value of m, which is 8, and find the square of 8. And the square of 8 is 64 plus 1, that means 65. Okay,